I tried to look more put together on hybrid days by vacuuming, clearing my desk, and setting a custom Teams background of a calm bookshelf. However, my preschooler had other ideas. While I was busy, they used my laptop to watch a story and changed the background to a photo they took of me mid-sneeze. The picture was an extreme close-up of my face with my mouth wide open and eyes squeezed shut. When I joined a client call, my boss and colleagues started laughing, and I realized my background was not the bookshelf I had set. The background blur was glitching, making my sneeze face looming behind me like a creepy portrait. I tried to fix it while sounding competent, but accidentally turned on a beauty filter that made it more unsettling. The call was a disaster, and now the client team knows me as Sneeze Ghost Mom from accounting. I will never know peace.